Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money without ever stepping into a traditional job? Maybe you're tired of the daily grind and think there must be a better way to earn a living. The truth is, the world is full of unique opportunities to make money that you've probably never thought of. From turning your hobbies into income streams to using skills you didn't even know people would pay for, today's video will give you 10 surprising ways to make money without ever clocking into a 9-to-5. Number 1 is so unusual that you might rethink everything you know about earning money, so stick around till the end. 1. Rent out your space. Let's start with something simple but super effective: renting out your unused space. Do you have a spare room, an empty garage, or even a storage shed collecting dust? Believe it or not, people are willing to pay good money to use those spaces for storage, parking, or even small projects. Websites like Airbnb or apps like Neighbor connect people who need extra space with those who have it. Here's the kicker: it doesn't need to be a luxurious space. A clean driveway near a busy event area, a garage in an urban neighborhood, or a shed that's secure can all bring in passive income with very little effort. It's like turning unused corners of your property into money-making machines. If you're living somewhere popular, you'd be shocked how much people will pay just for convenience. 2. Participate in market research. Companies are willing to pay you to hear what you think about their products and ideas. By participating in market research studies, surveys, or focus groups, you're essentially giving businesses valuable insights they can use to improve. Websites like Respondent, User Testing, or even local focus group agencies pay anywhere from $20 to $150 per session. Some studies even offer more for unique demographics. Imagine getting paid just for sharing your honest opinion, testing a product, or answering some questions. It's easy, flexible, and you don't need any special skills to get started. 3. Sell digital products. Here's something anyone with a bit of creativity can try: selling digital products. These are items like templates, ebooks, planners, art prints, or online courses. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over. For example, are you good at creating beautiful Canva designs, spreadsheets, or teaching specific skills? Turn those ideas into products you can sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. People love tools that make their lives easier, whether it's a wedding planner template, a fitness guide, or an Instagram calendar. Once your product is live, you'll make passive income while you sleep. How cool is that? 4. Become a professional friend. This might sound strange, but it's true. People will pay for companionship or for someone to join them for activities. Whether it's attending a concert, sharing dinner, or exploring a new city, platforms like Rent-A-Friend make it possible to get paid for spending time with others. The goal isn't anything romantic. Clients are looking for platonic companionship. It's perfect for extroverts who enjoy meeting people and building connections. The rates can range from $20 to $50 an hour, depending on your location and activity. Think about it as getting paid to socialize, make new memories, and brighten someone's day. 5. Test websites and apps. Have you ever visited a website and thought, wow, this is confusing? Companies want to hear that feedback, and they'll pay you for it. Websites like User Testing and Try My UI hire regular people to test websites, apps, and digital products to see what works and what doesn't. You just follow instructions, use the website, and record your thoughts aloud. Most tests take just 10 to 30 minutes and pay around $10 to $20 per test. If you enjoy exploring websites or trying new apps, this could be an easy side gig that brings in solid extra cash. It's fun, flexible, and incredibly straightforward. 6. Become a virtual friend for gamers. Yes, you read that right. People pay for gaming friends. Platforms like GamerPals or Fiverr allow you to advertise your gaming services, where clients pay you to join them in multiplayer games. Many gamers feel lonely or struggle to find partners for co-op missions. Whether you're good at League of Legends, Fortnite, or Call of Duty, there's someone out there willing to pay for your time, strategy, or simply for company. And here's the best part: you get paid to do something you love. It doesn't feel like work when you're having fun, right? 7. Flip items for profit. Have you ever come across a great deal at a thrift store, garage sale, or clearance section? Turn those discoveries into cash by flipping items for profit. This means buying items at a low price and reselling them online at a markup. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even Poshmark make it easy to list items like furniture, vintage clothes, electronics, or toys for sale. Start small, go treasure hunting at local thrift stores, clean and list what you find, and watch your money grow. There's an art to finding value where others don't see it, and it can turn into a seriously profitable hustle. 8. Rent your stuff. You might own more valuable items than you realize, and renting them out can bring steady income. Things like cameras, drones, power tools, lawn equipment, or musical instruments are in high demand on platforms like Fat Llama or Facebook Marketplace. For instance, why let your camera sit idle if someone's willing to pay $50 a day to use it? Instead of letting items collect dust, they can be working for you. A quick tip: make sure you require deposits or use verified rental platforms to ensure safety and trust. It's a great way to get a return on investments you've already made. 9. Pet sitting or house sitting. Who doesn't love animals? If you have some extra time, offering pet sitting or house sitting services can be incredibly rewarding, both emotionally and financially. Platforms like Rover, Trusted House Sitters, or local Facebook groups allow you to connect with pet owners who need someone trustworthy to watch their pets, walk their dogs, or care for their home while they're away. The pay varies, but experienced sitters can earn anywhere from $15 to $60 per visit or per night. Plus, if you're an animal lover, getting paid to hang out with pets hardly feels like work at all. 10. Sell your knowledge through coaching. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about coaching. You might not think of yourself as a coach, but everyone has a skill they're better at than most people, whether it's fitness, financial advice, photography, or even resume writing. People are always willing to pay to learn from someone who has the expertise they need. Online platforms like Zoom, Fiverr, or Skillshare allow you to connect with learners worldwide and offer one-on-one sessions. The great thing about coaching is that you don't need formal qualifications, just real helpful knowledge that delivers results. You help people grow, and they pay you for it. Win-win. So there you have it, 10 surprising ways to make money without the constraints of a traditional job. From renting your unused space to flipping thrifted items, or even coaching others in something you're good at, these ideas prove that earning money doesn't have to follow the old rules. Which of these ideas stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on earning money the unconventional way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.